This week's entertainment recap of enough buzzy news like them fly the gate for entertainment sector, 2022 Carnival discussion, 6 years for Jah Cure, new music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Oh, happy day, oh, happy day, oh, happy day. When them fly the gate, all party goers go off. Yeah, hey, them boss we know, let me tell you about it. On Friday, March 18th, 2022, the COVID-19 protocols under the Disaster Risk Management Act were withdrawn, including the nightly curfews. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in his contribution to the Budget Debate 2022 on March 17th, also announced the reopening of the entertainment sector. These measures remain in effect until April 15th, 2022. After 2 years, the prohibition on entertainment events has been lifted, but the public should be reminded that permits and licenses are required from the police for any entertainment events to be held. The Prime Minister also announced a $150 million loan to assist in the reopening of the entertainment sector. Artists, employees in production, and promoters, to name a few, are set to benefit. Prime Minister Andrew Holness also said that as the entertainment sector reopens, for the first 6 months, permit fees will be cut by 50% to help small promoters and event organizers recover financially. Hey, go on through, them fly the gate. You make me wanna jump and down a place, I wanna put my waist. Hey. Wanna know? I never ever know the full song yet, right? I never ever know it. But I'm excited at even the thought of bringing back Carnival. Possible dates for Carnival 2022 were discussed during the first meeting held by the Carnival Stakeholders Committee. As the entertainment sector seeks to recover from its 2-year coma, the directors of the bands that participate in the annual Carnival celebrations have tabled date submissions for the event. According to one of our local newspapers, Kamal Banke, chairman of the Jamaica Carnival Stakeholders Committee, said that more discussions are left to be held before an official date is announced. Banke also shared that it was agreed in the meeting that next year's carnival will be held in April. However, the final decision still depends on the consensus between stakeholders and the approval from the government. But we should expect an announcement within a few days. Banke told one of our local newspapers that the carnival season has already been planned and is waiting to be executed, but follow-up meetings will be held before a final decision is made. Hey, just go and ready up for the jump up. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Yeah, words from the great Rihanna, but this isn't about Rihanna. This one is for Jah Cure. Yup, we are back with an update from his ongoing court case in Amsterdam. Jah Cure has been sentenced to 6 years in prison in Amsterdam for attempted manslaughter, as his claim of self-defense was rejected by the court. Jah Cure's lawyer argued that the incident was self-defense on Cure's end and that the threatening messages sent to promoter Nicardo Papa Blake before the stabbing was a representation of the Jamaican reggae culture. Then I wish part that there. Anyways, even though his claim for self-defense was rejected, the panel of 3 judges on Tuesday ruled in Jah Cure's favor that the attempt to murder Blake was not premeditated, as there was not enough evidence to prove so. The Prison Walls singer was sentenced to 6 years and is allowed to appeal this decision if he wishes to. Oh boy, oh well, I hope you learn. Then on the ear, said king of the dancehall, Beenie Man was not too fond of the royal visit. Let me tell you. He told the Good Morning Britain that he and his fellow Jamaicans are not enthused about the visit from the Duke and Duchess, Prince William and his wife Kate. William and Kate arrived in Jamaica on Tuesday for a 3-day visit despite objections and outpouring of rage over Britain's role in the transatlantic slave trade.
People that go meet Harry, but William, but no one see that.
Jamaica is one of 3 Caribbean countries, including Belize and the Bahamas, which the Duke and Duchess are visiting on the 2022 Royal Tour. A news release from King's House a few weeks ago said that the visit is part of the celebration to make the 70th anniversary of the Queen coronation of Queen Elizabeth and the 60th anniversary of Jamaica's independence. The Advocates Network had organized a demonstration outside the grounds of the British High Commission in Jamaica to demand that Britain apologizes for its participation in the slave trade and give reparations to the descendants of those who were enslaved. Following citizens' protests over the royal family's ancestors' links to slavery, William and Kate had to curtail a visit to a village in Belize. That's enough, you know. That. Boy or girl, nobody knows, but I'm sticking to girl. Bayesian billionaire and beauty mogul Rihanna was seen shopping in the baby girls aisle of Target, which may have indirectly given the biggest clue yet about the gender of her baby. The admired celebrity was shopping in the baby section of Target and was seen holding up some cute baby dresses, which she later checked out and even purchased. Rihanna also checked out unisex pieces, including clothing in various colors, socks, and onesies, including a burnt orange dress with intricate details. Her fans approved that Riri, being a billionaire, shops at Target for baby clothes instead of spending on expensive brands for clothes that her baby will not be wearing as he or she grows. When previously asked if she would add baby and maternity clothes to her Fenty line, Rihanna didn't give a definite answer as to whether she wanted to get into that line of business. While at the Fenty Ulta event, Rihanna revealed that she is in her 3rd trimester. So then my favorite part of the show, in which is new music. So here, and this week, new music, which features Chronic Law with Temperature, Busy Signal with Deh Pon Yuh Own, Nation Boss with Vision, and Jahllano featuring Sizzla with Freedom Now. Take a look.
Never forget, never regret, the pain of for make happiness. Me no see stress, me heart nah no use to my dog, it just did it. Me know man, my friend man forget revenge. Yo, hard cold, not pull down, no, this a temperature. The friend thing don't healthy dog, help me like.
Yo, Deh Pon Yuh Own. Police hold you with gun, lead, cheat and bang a phone. Yo, Deh Pon Yuh Own. Running a roadblock, thief in markets where you know one.
I've got that vision, 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 vision. Tell mommy it won't be long until the whole world has a man. Gifted way beyond brilliant. Vision, 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 vision. A freedom for my brother upon remand.
Yo, bing bang racy thing, we know in a them slavery thing.
Freedom now.
On the fire and praise the King Almighty rule everything.
Freedom now.
Revolution is racy thing, we know in a them slavery thing.
Freedom now.
On the fire and hail the King Almighty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's shout out goes to legend, the late Lee Scratch Perry and the great Ken Booth. Happy birthday to you both and continue to do great work. And as for Lee Scratch, you work, Levan. Good work, you know. And as we say on this show, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia, and remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection each and every week for my earrings. This week, I'm all decked out in red. And remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. Here, have a great weekend. And always, remember to big up you.